All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2017 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor with 113,000 miles and only 1,168 idle hours. That is about it. Original charcoal gray metallic from factory. This vehicle was a former, it belonged to the Department of Correction. Once again, this was a former Department of Correction vehicle, not a patrol beat up unit. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states. The paint looks great, it's very sharp, very shiny. Vehicle does have about maybe 6 door dings. That's what I was that's what I was able to count. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a fresh new window tint. Once again, fresh new window tint. The whole car has been fully serviced, detailed, folks. I left nothing for you to do. She is in immaculate running conditions and shape. Vehicle is equipped with factory backup sensors and backup camera. Yes, they are working. This is gonna be a flex fuel unit. Before I forget, this is gonna be E85. Okay, folks, I did mention that the vehicle does have some door dings, so there is one right here. 2, this is gonna be a flex fuel vehicle, all-wheel drive. That is correct, folks. I forgot to mention this. This is gonna be a 2017 3.7 liter engine, all-wheel drive. Okay, I should have said that in the beginning of the video, but sometimes I get ahead of myself and I get all excited and I forget a couple of things here and there. Whatever I do forget, folks, I'm gonna make sure that I do note everything down in my eBay ad, just in case if I do forget something. America. That's right, folks. There are no holes on the body of the vehicle whatsoever. No holes. Very slick, very sharp, very nice looking. Sorry, let me backtrack. This is gonna be door ding number 3 right here. All right. Door ding number 3, folks. I'm trying to catch myself here, and if I forget something, I will make sure I put it down in my eBay ad, folks. Before I forget, I gotta tell you that the vehicle does have 2 new RSA Goodyear RSA Eagles in the back, 245 55 18s. The tires that were in the back when the vehicle first arrived, they were not good at all. They were about maybe 20% dry rot. The tires in the front were good, so the tires in the front did not need a replacement. Okay. Also, before I forget, I gotta tell you that all 4 steel wheels underneath those hubcaps, they're nice and glossy, folks. They're nice and glossy steel. You guys can see that right there. So if you do want to go with the small chrome dog dishes, I do have those available at an extra charge. I can go ahead and swap those out and put the dog dishes, and I will put a sample picture in my eBay ad so you can see what it looks like, okay, with the little chrome center caps. Nice and black steel wheels, so you don't have to repaint them. All you have to do is just degrease them, soap and water. You are good to go. Let me clean this up here for you guys. I do have a nice front end, folks. I do have a nice set of clear lights and lenses in the front. On the front hood fender, you're gonna see that the vehicle does have some minor chipping from the road. Yes, what you see right here, folks. What you see is what you're gonna get. Small chipping on the hood. This is not a deal breaker, and this is very common in all these vehicles, especially if they're on the highway. Okay, little chips, but it doesn't look bad at all. All right, you can only see those when you get up close and personal. All right, let's go inside, folks, and show you what I got to work with. Oh, before I forget, I lost the door trim on here on the driver's side door. Don't worry, folks, I am doing the video so I could keep moving forward. I ordered a new OEM door trim on eBay, so it is coming. Rest assured that it will be in place by the time the car sells. Okay, thank you. I just had to get that out of the way. Nice leather vinyl rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Perfect vinyl flooring, folks. Perfect vinyl flooring. Perfect door panels. All 4 door panels are in perfect conditions. On the rear, if you do have passengers sitting in the back seat, they will be able to exit out on their own. Child lock is engaged, but this is it right here. I can go ahead and unlock it for you. All 4 doors are fully functional. I do have some scratches here as well. This is probably from their duty belt as the officers got in and out of the vehicle. Just right here, this little area here, folks. Once again, all 4 door panels are in nice condition. Driver's side seat is in good shape. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. All right, let's get in, folks. As you guys can see, vehicle does come with 1 key fob and 2 keys. Let's go ahead and fire her up. We clean this up here for you guys. Okay. I cannot get it to clean up. I do apologize, folks. Sometimes it goes blur on me. Okay, the vehicle does have 113,000 miles with only 1,168 idle hours. I'm not sure if I mentioned that in the beginning, but there it is. Stereo does work. All 4 speakers do work. Super cool air conditioner, folks. Everything does work. Trunk release. Honk does work. Steering wheel is in nice shape. Working cruise control, folks. Everything does work on this vehicle. Oops. Everything does work in the vehicle. I keep losing track of my stuff here. Working backup camera. There it is. Put her back in park. There she is. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. I do not own the rights to the song. No spotlights ever installed in this vehicle here, folks. No spotlights whatsoever. Ticket lights do work. Red LED, white LED do work. Make sure she's in park. Make sure she doesn't drive away from me. Let's go to the trunk. Wow, 7 minutes already. Jeez. All right, folks, this is the trunk right here. Nice and spacious. What you see is what you're gonna get. Vehicle does have a metal trunk vault in the back with a key. So if you have your gun, your equipment, you can put it in here and lock it up. It ain't going nowhere. Full matching spare tire in place. All right, full matching spare tire in place. Trying to get everything done here for you guys within 12 minutes. One hand here. Oh, I actually got it. All right, this is the engine, folks. Starting right to left, vehicle does have a new air filter, throttle, body wash service and clean out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, full synthetic 520. Oil service, fluid and filter was done. Transmission was also serviced. Mercon LV was used. Motorcraft original equipment fluid on the transmission. Do not use aftermarket fluid, please. All fluids have been topped off. Also, vehicle does have a new drive belt, new tensioner. Okay, front of department, folks, the vehicle does have a new battery. Vehicle does have new front struts. Vehicle does have new front and rear brake rotors. The vehicle does have a full set of new front and rear brakes and rotors that were installed by the department. I don't know why I'm getting stuck, but yeah, folks, new brakes and rotors all around. There you go. I could have just said that in the beginning. Vehicle is not overheating. It's not leaking anything. She is good to go. Cold air conditioner. Cabin filter was also replaced. That's inside the vehicle. Am I forgetting anything? I don't think so. Whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they did a great job staying on top of it. I'm surprised to see vehicles that come with this much work that was done already to them. But then again, you never know when these vehicles are being decommissioned, so their job is to make sure they stay on top of that vehicle. Okay, and I got a tenant coming in, folks. I may have to cut it loose here. Give me a second. Let me pull up to the right. I gotta move it here. All right, folks, I think I'm gonna have to cut it here. I do apologize, I'm not gonna have time to go back and redo the video, but what you see is what you're gonna get. This is gonna be a 2017 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor with 113,000 miles, 1,168 idle hours, and I got some other door dings here that I forgot to mention. These are little ones, but they are here, folks. I got to tell you everything I see in the camera lens here for you guys. 2 new rear tires. Front tires were great. They did not need replacement. Working backup cameras. I usually do get thrown off when tenants come in because I don't like to be in their way. Alright, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. I forgot to show you the lights. Before I forget, I gotta tell you that the headlights, the bulbs were replaced as well. I went with the Sylvania Silver Stars. They're nice and bright. They're whiter instead of yellow. Okay? Huge difference when you're driving at night. All right, folks, I gotta go. Thanks again for watching. You guys have a blessed weekend out there. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. God bless and take care, fellas. Bye bye.